Hello, this is Jerome Estes, Design Area Engineer from the Division of Project Support at the Colorado Department of Transportation. In this video, I provide a summary of Chapter 4 that describes the facility type street within the 2023 CDOT Roadway Design Guide. Chapter 4 guides the designer through applications of street facility types, which are generally characterized by the inclusion of curb and gutter, sidewalks, and storm sewers in more urban contexts. The street context classifications are known as C3 suburban places, C4 traditional neighborhoods, C5 downtown places, and C6 urban core. This chapter introduces general design considerations while considering different contexts that may be used in the project's limits. The designer and engineer evaluate the criteria for the project using factors of design speed, design traffic volume, and level of service as it relates to the project location. Determining a street's highway capacity and facility operations will provide the designer or engineer important considerations surrounding operating volumes, flow rates, and facility type considerations. Designers will need to assess safe multimodal accommodations for the street facility type, as this facility is commonly found in dense areas where alternative modes of transportation are present. Users of this guide are encouraged to use forward thinking about the use of transit systems, bicycles, pedestrians, and vehicles in an urban context to serve the unique needs of whichever communities are impacted by the project. The accessible design portion can help practitioners determine if the Americans with Disabilities Act, ADA, accommodations are up to standard or whether they should be updated to provide safety for all users. Once the context classification and street facility types are identified, this chapter explains the horizontal and vertical geometry design elements to consider, again accounting for the fact that many modes of travel may be present. Next, the designer is guided through the discussions of street alignments with existing topography, along with grades as these relate to surrounding terrain, vertical curve criteria, cross slope, and super elevation to determine the most appropriate features within the project limits. Cross-section elements are explained in this chapter so the designer or engineer can develop cross-section elements with performance-based practical design in mind. Chapter 4 concludes by offering guidance on the appropriate design of medians, drainage, along with pedestrian, bicycle, and transit facilities. In the next video, I will provide a summary of Chapter 5, which explores the facility type freeway, expressway, and interstate.